Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to restore to a previous version of your Wix website. This is Wix.com website, and first I will log in to my account. On this Wix account, I have 3 websites. Let's work on this iPhone blog. Click on Select and Edit Site. After that, click on this Edit Site button to access your Wix website editor. To restore this Wix website to a previous version, just go to Site and click on Site History. Click on Go to Site History button. And this new page will load up. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Wix today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Wix, basic website editing, embedding content like how to embed a YouTube video on a Wix website, exporting and importing, removing and resetting like how to remove Wix ads from your website for free, restoring and transferring, for example, how to restore a Wix website, how to take a backup, Wix features like how to use Wix AI website builder, adding content and features, e-commerce and store setup, sharing and collaboration, saving and deleting, like how to save a website as PDF, also how to delete a website on Wix or a Wix web account, marketing and SEO, and advanced features like how to deliver Wix website to a client. There are also other categories like templates and customization, and how to make your Wix website responsive and fit all screens. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial, and this new page will load up. On the left side of the screen, you have the dates or the previous versions of your website. Just click on this little arrow to view this saved version of your website. Once you locate the Wix website version that you are interested in, click on this Restore blue button. Before restoring, close any other tabs where you're editing the site and check that nobody else is currently editing it. Click on this Restore button. You can now continue to edit your website. When you're ready to go live, publish your site. Click on Edit Site. Now let's check my website again to see if it is restored to the green old version. Yes, this is my green old version of this website, and this is how to restore your Wix website to a previous version. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.